Hello, friends. This is Dr. Neeta, and I welcome you all to our today's live on how to conduct successful webinars. Now, this is the name of our upcoming workshop with Neeta Training and Consulting Services. This is 6 days workshop wherein I'll show you all the topics which we are going to cover within that. But first, we will just discuss why this particular topic workshop is there and why we should actually do this particular kind of training. So nowadays, pattern of whatever businesses we are doing nowadays, that has been changed, completely changed rather, because in this pandemic we were unable to go out of our offices and homes, and that's why so many actually trouble we have got. But nowadays there are solutions, and there are so many ways through which actually very easily we could communicate with people, and it's like easy solution because we don't have to travel. So as and when it comes to client meeting, of course we need to hesitate for traveling, and even the client, because of this pandemic, they may not be very much comfortable to meet you. So that's the reason actually these kind of online meetings, webinars, and whatever kind of different online programs nowadays people are preferring more. So when it comes to any kind of communication, whether it's your personal communication, your business related professional communication, or you would like to communicate with your students, your clients, now it becomes very easy. Yeah, there are tools like how we are communicating right now on FB Live. So yeah, of course, there are several different online tools available through which very easily you can establish a very good communication with other people, and your reach will also more as compared to, like, for example, I'll give you one example of our institute itself. In Nita Training and Consulting Services, previously we were actually having 20 centers in Pune for teachers training courses. Now we have actually closed down all the centers, but now we have actually spread our services throughout the globe. It's not limited to one city, one specific area, but now there is no limit. Scope has increased because now we are accepting admissions all over India, and of course, whatever other country people are there, if they would like to do such kind of courses, and they are also welcome. So now distance or place from where you are, that doesn't matter, because we can establish very easy communication, and scope will be more because whatever is your current reach wherein you could reach out people in person, it will be more when you are actually meeting people online. So not only for the purpose of meeting, just for replacing meetings, but yeah, there are several other reasons also that we could actually prefer online setup. So yeah, let's see what all kind of different options are available. So yeah, these are few of the options wherein we are meeting on social media. So for video conferencing, there are several different tools. So we will have a separate session on which are the effective tools, which are all tools you can use free of cost, which are all tools will need some charges, and what kind of setup you need to do, what kind of installation you need to do at your end, so that you can establish easy meetings on your end. If it's a kind of webinar meeting, now there is difference between a meeting and a webinar, because there are some parameters. For example, if you'll take Zoom, now if you'll take free meetings of Zoom, again there are some limitations on number of participants and time limit. So yeah, there will be such kind of criteria wherein how many participants can join your meeting, and what amount of time you are actually spending with them. There may be some kind of limits on these parameters. So which are those limits? Which are those parameters? When I should go for webinar? When I should go for meeting? When I should go for conference? So yeah, there are basic detailing in this also. So all these kind of detailed thing we are going to discuss in our upcoming workshop. The name of workshop is how to conduct successful webinars. It's a very self-explanatory name wherein you are understanding, but don't take it literally. It's not only for the webinars, but yeah, such kind of meetings, and how actually we could uh, increase our social presence through communicating through video meetings and different kind of video setups, and to make easy communication with people. That what actually we are going to cover within that. So let's see what are the different topics actually we are going to discuss within this particular program. So I'm sharing syllabus with you all. Now, these are the contents which we are going to cover within this particular webinar or workshop. So, in lesson one, we are going to conduct like how to conduct successful webinars. So, topic we will discuss, then what are the different benefits of conducting webinars, then how to conduct a successful webinar, and there will be different course topics, and how you can actually generate revenue by conducting this online webinars and all that we will understand. Now, these are few of the topics we'll understand in introductory part. Then, what are the different, how actually you can set up a different kind of offers when you are setting up a system wherein you are communicating with your clients or your prospects, and at that moment of time why your prospect should actually come to you, why they should visit your page or whatever kind of workshop or live sessions you are giving. So how actually communicate with them, how actually you should set up the offers, then how you will position your webinar. Now if you'd like to conduct frequent webinars, for example, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. So, if at all you are doing such kind of webinars very frequently, so you need to position it properly. So, how to position it, and actually what kind of different understanding require for this, that all kind of thing we are actually going to cover within positioning of your webinar. Then step to set up a webinar. So here we will actually make you go through all the tools available online, and through that actually we will see key, okay, what kind of setup is required, what kind of configuration is required. So all this kind of thing we are going to learn, understand within this particular topic. Then steps for the Facebook ad campaign. Now, yeah, if at all you would like people should attend your webinar, now you learn, okay, these are the different tools and these are the ways, and this is how you have to set up, this is how you have to configure, and now all ready. You are very much ready to actually conduct your webinar. But now who will attend it, that is what is the most important point, wherein if you don't have your audience ready, then actually to whom you will communicate with. So from where to get the audience, and how to communicate, how to connect with your audience, that is what is the most important thing that we are going to cover within this particular topic, wherein we will understand a few basics of digital marketing, like how to actually set up your Facebook ad campaigns, or how actually within your network without spending money also you could communicate through mediums such as your own Facebook timeline and your WhatsApp network and all. So whatever is your existing network, within that how you could communicate with people without spending money, that kind of easy solutions also we'll discuss here. Then we will now, once all these things done, then we will find out the checklist. Okay, whatever thing we might have discussed up to that particular point of time, we will just go through it, ki whether we have gone through every step, whatever steps are required or not. So that all kind of thing we will do. And then lead generation also, we will understand some basics of lead generation, some sales criteria and techniques we will understand. So that are all kind of things actually overall included within introductory part. Then of course we'll understand what exactly the webinar is, what are the different applications available, what are the different types of webinars, then leadership webinars, case study based webinars are there, then customer onboarding and training webinars are there, then some new feature have come in market, or some kind of new series have launched in market, or some kind of reviews, you know, you need to give for some kind of products which new some companies have launched. So that kind of webinars also you can conduct. So these are the different kind of webinar you could conduct. Then what, like how when you position, you need to set up some goals for your webinar. So what are the different goals of your webinar? How actually you get to know about this, and what are the different cost involved while conducting these kind of online setup meetings or webinars, and different kind of expenses. So we will understand all this kind of thing. Then we will understand few important tools like Quora is there, Google Trends is there. So all these kind of different tools we'll understand when we are actually going through this particular workshop. Then we will also seek, okay, I have done some kind of investment also, and I have now set up everything, I'm ready. So whether whatever investment I'm doing, I'm getting return out of it or not, or what exactly the kind of raise I'll get within my business if I'm doing all this kind of things. So that will also understand through some statistics. So that will kind of things we'll understand here in this workshop. Then we will also understand how to position it, like whether you'd like to say, oh, it's a training, it's a workshop, or it's a master class. So you need to position what kind of target audience you are having. Based on that, actually you need to set up, or you need to position your webinar. So you need to decide it properly, and you need to finalize your kind of means whatever offering you are having. Based on that, you need to set up these kind of things. Then we are also going to discuss few of the topics like some MVM webinar presentation formula. So we will understand exactly what is the theory. Formula means, okay, whatever currently I am doing without conducting webinar, I'm going to invest something in that webinar. So after doing that, how much my sale will improve, or in what range actually that going to happen. So all that kind of formula we may understand. We may understand it from the basics up to certain level. So yeah, these are all kind of thing we will understand. Then of course, you when you are doing your webinar, at that moment of time, you need to actually divide it into some parts. So first part will be your starter part. Then you need to give some bold promise to your audience. Otherwise, the audience will not get any kind of goal, or they will not understand why they should actually stay with you during your communication. So you need to make them some bold promise. You need to tell them some stories. So all these kind of things you need to do while doing your webinar. So yeah, we will see what like how part by part it should be divided and all. So that are all kind of things also we are going to see within this webinar. Then we'll also discuss few of the tools to set up, like webinar jam is there, Zoom is there. So all these kind of tools we will discuss, and we will see the practical implementation of all these tools. Then we will also see like what kind of searches people do, and where actually I could get that, and how I will do the analytics of that, what kind of audience, my audience, where I'll get. So I will track everything, and for that also I'm having some tools which we are going to discuss within this workshop. So yeah, in 6 days we are going to discuss all these kind of things within this particular workshop is divided into 10 lessons. So 6 days we are going to finish. If 2 3 days it requires more, it will not actually, for you it will not cost anything. Last time also this webin I was given it for 6 days, but then later on it goes for 8 9 days. So that's not a problem. But all these workshops are on recorded kind of thing, so you don't have to spend your real time. Whatever kind of material we are providing you, so that lesson will be in the format of PDF, and whatever live session we have taken earlier will be the recording of the same, so you will get recorded video. So now currently whatever means within this workshop, whatever we are doing is through recorded session. If at all a request come for the live session, then of course we will have live session on Zoom. For that, timing will be 6 to 7 in the evening on working days. Saturday, Sunday, there is off. So Monday to Friday workshop will be on. On WhatsApp, how we actually conduct this workshops. So we do some actually for our promotion kind of thing, we create one landing group where we send all the information, and those who are actually feeling some kind of interest in that topic, they may join our group. Like, there is landing group first. Once they paid with the charges, like for in offer, it's 799 rupees for 6 days. So once you paid all these charges, then we will get you added within the main group. Now, main group is the group wherein only paid participants will be there, and 6 days whatever kind of workshop will be there, that will be conducted from that main group. So whether it's a kind of live session, so that link you'll get on that main group. If it's a kind of recorded session, or whatever kind of notes or reference material is there, so that you'll receive on that main group. So this is how we are going to conduct it on WhatsApp. Many of the time people are having queries like, oh, how you will conduct it on WhatsApp? Then other people will also say, no, it's not like that. So those who are the course participants, they will only communicate. We will communicate with them, and they could understand us. They could actually see all the contents, and at the end we will provide Google Drive access also, so that you'll have it for the longer duration with you. That access will be there, always there. And along, the good news is, the along with this particular workshop, we are giving you 4 workshop absolutely free, and those workshop actually cost near about 15,000 rupees. So goal setting workshop is there, then entrepreneurship development workshop is there, then success maximized workshop is there, then meditation workshop is there. So yeah, all these workshops we are giving free of cost, absolutely free of cost. And we are starting this workshop from Monday, 6th of December. So block your calendar, block your dates, and please enroll for our upcoming workshop on how to conduct successful webinars. Hope all everything must be clear. If you are having any doubts or any queries, please write in the comment box or connect us. Our website is www.neetatcs.com. From our website, you'll get all our contact details and everything. So thank you for now. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all of you. Stay tuned. Thanks.